Okay, so first you can tell them to shuffle a deck whenever they want, because it doesn't matter. Okay, so then you gotta take the first card. You gotta make every pile. You gotta make it 13. So this is 13 already. So this is 12, 13, 12, 13, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We don't have enough, so we'll just keep this here. So then you look away, you tell them to pick 3 piles, and then flip all the other cards around. Okay, so I'll just do it. So you pick 3 piles, and just leave them face down. Any piles, doesn't matter at all. Okay, you take all the other ones. You put them here, and you put them with these cards. Flip them all around, and then you count out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you flip 2 piles around. They can do it. Any 2 piles they choose. So 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards left. So this top card will be a 7. Thanks.